What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you guys my vanity and my makeup. I will say it's like a vanity update because I made a video like 2 years ago of the vanity I had at the moment, and everything changed since we moved. So let's get started. This mirror and this top shelf from the vanity, I got it from Home Depot. The lights, I got it from Amazon. The drawers are from Michael's. The chair is from IKEA. This is still my old chair, still same chair. Just the vanity changing, and well, a lot of my makeup too. So let's see what's on top. I have some brushes, little speakers here, makeup remover, picture of my babies, another mirror I got from Amazon. I will leave down the links of the stuff I have, that I use to make my vanity. And I'm going to try and find the link for this video right here. This is where you turn on, but it's not connected. So yeah, let's keep on moving. My primers are here, all of them. Some eye care, skincare for my eyes. More skincare, some more primers. This is a hydrating gel mix. I like to use this in the summer. My mascaras, bunch of lipsticks I never use. You can tell because it's a little dusty in the top. I have a bunch of lipstick, but I'm not a fan of lipstick that much. My Tarte eyeshadows I got from my BoxyCharm. More brushes. This is the little thing I use to take picture of my BoxyCharm and all the stuff I get. I got this from AliExpress. Let's check out what's in the drawers. Here I have eyeshadows, a bunch of eyeshadows. Maybe I do another video showing you guys all my eyeshadows, more eyeshadows. Let's keep in mind I have a few months I don't buy eyeshadows. I'm trying to use everything I got. It's been a little busy since I had another baby. More eyeshadows. Here I keep my concealers. Some of my contour stuff too. And some disposable ones. Sometimes I do my mom makeup or whatever, and I use this disposable. Next one, I have all my sponges, eyelashes. You guys won't believe I could do my makeup, like they say, bleed my face. I don't know how to put eyelashes on. I can't, for the love of God. I try and try, and it's a mess. Let's go to the other side. I have this little ring here too. I got it from Amazon. And I will leave the link down below. Here I have all my highlighters. Bunch of highlighters too. I love highlight. Who doesn't love highlights? Especially this one. You guys know. And I have a lot of highlights. I have not used. Can't even open it. Just swatch it. Never use it. See what's next. I keep in here my blushes and some contour stuff too. Lipstick palette. This is an old lipstick palette. I don't want to throw it away. More lipstick stuff. My setting powders right here. Here I keep stuff to clean my face when I'm removing my makeup or putting mask on, so I can take my eyebrows out. I do my own eyebrows. Cotton swab. Here in the last drawer, I have more skin stuff. Mask, scrubs. And let's go to my little cubes. Here I have more eyeshadows, bunch of eyeshadows, more lipstick stuff I never use. In the top we got more lipsticks. I don't use a lot of foundation, so I only have 2, and for some reason it's summer and it doesn't even match my skin, and I get a little dark when it's summer. More brushes here, more brushes over here. Here I keep my eyebrow stuff. More eyebrows. I bought this palette, this eyebrow palette. Let me see if I can take it out. And I really don't like it. It's from Cara Beauty, Kara, whatever you call it. And I try it, but I'm not feeling it. Maybe I do a video doing my eyebrows with that, and you guys gonna see what I'm saying. More, not more. Eyeliners. I live for eyeliners and highlighters. This is the BB cream I've been using instead of foundation. It's from AOA Shop Miss A, and I really love this. Just another one. Here I keep my eye primers for eyeshadows, more eyeliners, some liquid eyeshadows, and some small eyeshadows. I'm not a big fan of liquid eyeshadows. Okay, now I can close this. Every time I open this, it's a struggle to close it. Color correcting sticks. Headbands I use when I'm doing my makeup. I thought I'd be stealing them. Here I have lip pencils. Here I keep my eyebrow stuff, eyebrow brushes, twisters, all that stuff. Some gel nail polish. I got this little frame from the Dollar Tree. More headbands, more brushes, my setting sprays. That right there is where I keep my dirty sponges and brush. And this little guy right here is for my mirrors lights. My husband set it up so that I can turn it on and off with the little control. And this tiny one came with the small ring light, this one right here, so you guys can take pictures when you connect your phone with this right here. These little frames I found at the Dollar Tree. They are so pretty. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below. I will be trying to do a video only about my eyeshadows. I'm gonna try to find the time. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.